How to cancel a flight on Southwest Airlines. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Southwest Airlines website. After you're in the website, click on My Account at the top right corner of your screen. Then it will lead you to this page. Click on Trips at the top. After you click on Trips at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here, scroll down, you'll find upcoming flight lookup. There, scroll down, add your first name, last name, and confirmation number. Then press on flight lookup. After you've pressed on flight lookup in here, you'll find your flight information. There, you'll find change or cancel option. Simply press on it, and there you'll find cancel flight option. And choose refund method, travel credit, or original payment as you want. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to cancel a flight on Southwest Airlines. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.